Welcome back to StockMaven, your daily source for the latest news and updates on the cryptocurrency market. In today's video, we'll be talking about the upcoming hard fork for Polygon, a popular Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. We'll be discussing what a hard fork is, why Polygon is hard forking, and what it means for investors and traders in the cryptocurrency market. First off, let's start with what a hard fork is. In simple terms, a hard fork is a change to the software of a cryptocurrency network that creates two separate blockchains. Essentially, a hard fork is a permanent divergence from the previous version of the blockchain, and nodes that run the previous version will no longer be accepted by the updated blockchain. This can occur due to a variety of reasons, such as changes to the network's protocol, consensus mechanism, or governance. Now, let's dive into why Polygon is hard forking. Polygon is a Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, which means it aims to improve the scalability and performance of the Ethereum network. The upcoming hard fork is called Polygon Firebird, and it's set to launch on June 30, 2021. The main goal of this hard fork is to upgrade the Polygon network and introduce new features and improvements. Some of the changes that will be implemented in the Polygon Firebird hard fork include the introduction of new EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, features, such as support for state snapshots, new opcodes, and gas optimizations. Additionally, Polygon Firebird will introduce new governance and fee delegation mechanisms that aim to improve the network's overall efficiency and user experience. So, what does this mean for investors and traders in the cryptocurrency market? Well, the hard fork itself shouldn't have any significant impact on the price of Polygon MATIC, as it's more of a technical upgrade than a fundamental change. However, the introduction of new features and improvements could potentially attract more developers and users to the Polygon network, which could lead to increased adoption and usage of the MATIC token. It's also worth noting that the hard fork could cause some temporary disruptions to the Polygon network, such as delays in transactions and possible downtime. As such, investors and traders should be aware of the potential risks and volatility associated with cryptocurrency investments and should always exercise caution when trading. In conclusion, the upcoming Polygon Firebird hard fork is an important event for the Polygon network and the broader cryptocurrency market. While the hard fork itself shouldn't have any significant impact on the price of Polygon, the introduction of new features and improvements could potentially attract more developers and users to the network. As always, investors and traders should exercise caution and stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market. Polygon, formerly known as MATIC Network, is an Indian cryptocurrency project founded in 2017. The project aims to provide a faster and more efficient way of creating and operating decentralized applications, dApps, using the Ethereum blockchain. Polygon is built as a Layer 2 solution on top of Ethereum, which means that it operates on the Ethereum blockchain, but is not limited by its scalability limitations. This enables developers to build dApps that can handle a much higher throughput of transactions than is currently possible on Ethereum. Recently, the Polygon team announced that they will be performing a hard fork of the network in order to implement several upgrades and improvements. This hard fork is scheduled to take place on April 15, 2022. The purpose of the hard fork is to introduce several new features that will help to further improve the functionality and usability of the Polygon network. One of the most notable changes that will be introduced is the implementation of a new consensus mechanism called Proof of Stake, POS. Proof of Stake is a consensus mechanism that allows validators to participate in the consensus process by staking their cryptocurrency holdings. Validators are then rewarded for their participation in the process with new tokens. This new consensus mechanism is expected to make the Polygon network more efficient and secure, while also reducing its energy consumption. Another important change that will be introduced as part of the hard fork is the integration of Chainlink price feeds. Chainlink price feeds are a decentralized Oracle solution that provides reliable and accurate data for various cryptocurrencies. This integration will enable developers to build more advanced and sophisticated dApps on the Polygon network that rely on accurate pricing data. In addition to these changes, the hard fork will also introduce several other upgrades and improvements, including a new transaction batching system, improvements to the network's governance model, and the addition of new scaling solutions. Overall, the Polygon hard fork is an important step forward for the project, as it will help to further improve the functionality and scalability of the network. This will enable developers to build even more powerful and sophisticated dApps on Polygon, which could help to drive adoption of the network and its native token, MATIC. It is important to note that the hard fork may cause some disruption to the network, including potential delays or disruptions to transactions. However, the Polygon team has assured users that they are taking all necessary precautions to minimize any potential issues. As always, it is important for users and investors to exercise caution when dealing with cryptocurrencies and to thoroughly research any projects or investments before getting involved. While the Polygon network has shown great promise and potential, it is still a relatively new project with its own set of risks and challenges. As mentioned earlier, the Polygon hard fork is set to take place in the coming days. This is a significant development for the Polygon ecosystem, as it will bring a host of improvements and new features to the platform. One of the main benefits of the hard fork is the introduction of the Polygon SDK. This will provide developers with a more comprehensive set of tools for building and deploying decentralized applications, dApps, on the Polygon network. With the Polygon SDK, developers will be able to create more complex and sophisticated dApps that can leverage the full capabilities of the Polygon network. Another key improvement that the hard fork will bring is the integration of the EIP 1559 protocol. This protocol is designed to improve the efficiency and security of the Ethereum network by changing the way transaction fees are calculated and paid. By implementing this protocol on Polygon, users will be able to enjoy lower transaction fees and faster confirmation times. The hard fork will also bring improvements to the Polygon staking system. Currently, users who stake their MATIC tokens on the Polygon network can earn rewards in the form of MATIC tokens. However, with the new update, users will also be able to earn additional rewards in the form of other cryptocurrencies such as Ether, ETH, and wrapped Bitcoin, WBTC. In addition to these improvements, the Polygon hard fork will also introduce a number of other features and enhancements. For example, it will bring improvements to the Polygon AMM, automated market maker, and liquidity pool system, as well as enhancements to the Polygon bridge and other core infrastructure components. Overall, the Polygon hard fork is a major development for the Polygon ecosystem and the wider cryptocurrency industry. It will bring a host of new features and improvements to the platform, making it more attractive to developers and users alike. As the Polygon network continues to grow and evolve, it is likely that we will see even more exciting developments and innovations in the future. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to StockMaven for daily updates and insights on the cryptocurrency market.